Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate variance in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to calculate variance, so how to do it here? As you know, there is a different formula for sample variance and also whole population variance. Okay, so I will show you both method how to do it. So first we will find out sample variance, how to find calculate sample variance. Okay, so here you will see I have a data. Okay, dogs x length. Okay, and this is the data. So how to find out this? So what you have to do here, I am going to find out the variance. So what you have to do first, you have, for the sample variance equals to var dot s. Okay, then all the numbers. Okay, now bracket close. So this is the variance. Okay, and this is the variance. Now if you find out the standard deviation. Okay, so first it is variance, this variance is in centimeter square. Okay, so this is the in centimeter square, centimeter, oh, cm, centimeter square. Okay, then if you want to find out the variance, standard deviation of this variance, so find out the square root. Okay, sqrt. Now select the variance and bracket close. So this is the standard deviation of this variance. Okay, this is in centimeter. Okay, so like this you can find out the variance of a sample. Okay, now we will find out in population. Okay, so what you have to do, so these are the data. Okay, so you have to just equals to, then var dot p and select all the numbers. Okay, then bracket close. So this is also in centimeter square. Okay, so now if you want to find out the standard deviation of this variation, here sqrt is square root of this, and so this is the standard deviation. Okay, so like this you can find variation and deviation in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.